Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Ervin Pedernal TV, channel of inspiration. So today's video, tayo po ngayon ay narito sa Miag-Ao, Iloilo City. At ipakikita ko po sa inyo ang napakagandang church dito, napaka-antique. At ganoon din po ang plaza nila dito sa Miag-Ao. Kaya muli, samahan niyo po ako. God bless us all. Hello guys, ayan, at andito nga po tayo ngayon sa Miag-Ao, Iloilo City. So dito po tayo ngayon para sa ating misyon. Pag may pagkakataon po ay pakikita ko po sa inyo ang iba't ibang lugar na magagandang tanawin at destinasyon dito po sa province of Iloilo. Miag-Ao Church. Construction of this church began in 1787 while Fray Francisco M. Gonzales OSA was parish priest of this town and Domingo Libo on was Gobernador City. The church was completed in 1797. It served as fortress against Muslim raiders in 1898. During the revolution, the church was destroyed, subsequently rebuilt. It was damaged by fire on 1910. It was badly damaged by earthquake in 1948. Restoration work began in 1960 and completed in 1962 during the term of office of the Most Reverend Dr. Jose Maria Cuenco Didi, Metropolitan Archbishop of Haro, of Monsignor Fernando S. Habilio, DP, Parish Priest of this town, Joscoro Nueda, Municipal Mayor. Hello guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama muli sa atin sa araw pong ito. At kung bago lang po kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At paki-click na rin po ng ating bell icon para lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga susunod na videos. Thank you!